Hello, today I'm going to do a Subaru Forester switch. That one works now when it's warm, when it's not raining. As soon as it rains it stops working. So luckily I could get in with opening it, but sometimes you have to take this off, and I can show you. And see that white little triangle there, if you can see it, I don't know, maybe. You just pull that and it opens the back. That's if you can't open your back door. So I'll put that back on for now. And then what I'm going to do, I need to take all this off, and then unscrew the whole lot here. And then I've got the new switch, which comes with the sun. Comes with them as well. Found it, just in case you're wondering. So there, we're just on clips, if you can see. There. You have to be careful of them wires, obviously, because it keeps falling down and I don't want to disconnect them. So then we have to do this one. Just like that. Either side. So that's the top. Yep. And then we have to go to the back here, but you're not going to see because of the sun. So I'll just show you, and then I'll take them off. Take this off, as you can see I broke it last time, and then take them off, and then this one is on clips as well, so you just unclip it again. Just like that. Then you've got some little screws. You have to undo this, but you don't have to take it off. So you have to get to one in there, and them little screws in there. You have to get 1, 2. I think there's some more. No, 1, 2, 3. I think there must be another one beyond there. I'm sure there's 4. So I think, just wait a minute. $8mm, I think. I'll just put it on here. Try. Where's it gone? Yep, 8mm. a 10mm. If your window wiper comes off easier, excuse me, if your window wiper, back rear one, comes off easy, then it's probably better to just pull this out, but mine doesn't, because I've tried lifting it and everything and it won't come. So we have 1, 2, 3 on there. These two are easy to get to. That one's a bit more difficult. 1, 2, 3. Be careful, because if you lose them, especially if you're working on a gravel floor, you won't find them. Okay, next one. So I need the long extension. And the last one, the most difficult, which is that. Sorry about my back. Okay, wasn't as easy, hard as I thought. Right, then let's take a screwdriver. I'll bring you closer. If you can see it there. Maybe. We have to unplug 1, 2, 3. Then have to feed them through. Oh yeah, I forgot. Got 2 there. Now we have to feed these through. Ouch. Then we have this off. So here it is laid out, as you can see. Right, here's where I joined it before, because I bought one for just the switch. It was for a different car then, but I managed to get the one that actually fits on this car, which you couldn't get before. But I'm gonna take away this wire first. I have to think that here is the camera, so the wire for that one, I'm guessing, is there, goes into there, But I think first off I'm going to take the switch out and try and feed that one through, because if I can't feed it through then I have to cut the wires, which I really don't want to do this time. Right, I'm probably going to knock this camera about and stuff, but can't actually see how you're supposed to get that out, because I can't remember. Must be a way to push this out further. Maybe undoing these screws here, which are really old. That move it a bit, it would, and then this whole thing will come off. Right, I need another screwdriver. I got them 2 tiny screws out, just, and then I'm got this. My eyes are oh, okay, it just clips out really easy. It's absolutely filthy, this is. So now I need to tap these off. Well, I've released these and the switch, but then I also have connected this, which has to stay because I only have the 3 bits, this and this. So I've got to find where I can disconnect or cut through this wire to disconnect what I don't need. Don't want to cut any wires, obviously. And on the dining room table is probably not the ideal place to do it. Ouch. Okay. That's that bit. So them and them need to come off. So after all this of clearing this off, I've just realised that this wire here is connected into there along with the switch, which is this one here. So as you can see, there's only 2 wires into that one and there's 6 into that one, and I need everything else. So I have to put this one in anyway, the whole lot, and then take them 2 wires and join them to them green wires there. So I have to cut the wires anyway, but everything else will be okay. It also means that this connection will be away from this, where the water runs straight down onto it, because obviously it gets inside because it's filthy in here. So this will be tucked away through into the actual car, so that will help. So I'll carry on doing what I'm doing, I think. Replace everything else and just cut that wire when I come to it. That is so annoying. I thought everything was going to be fine. Oh well, I'll carry on. Looks daunting, doesn't it, with all these wires, but it is straightforward. I'm just going to put these back in. I've got a bulb gone, so I've got to change that bulb, but I haven't got one now, so I'm just putting it back anyway. When I managed to get away the old wires like this one, cut them down here somewhere, and then I can join up the new wires, which is this one. So it's all intertwined at the minute, but it'll be okay once it's, you'll see when it's finished. But all it is all I've got to cut is them 2 green wires down the bottom here somewhere, and reattach them so it goes into this one on this green wire here, and then I put it all back together. So I've put it all together, retaped all these. These took ages to get in for some silly reason. Them wires don't look too good, but when the switch is there, I probably should have had the switch the other way round, underneath, over, I don't know. Anyway, that's how it's staying. Managed to get them all, and I've cut that wire. I don't know how I'm going to feed these through that one hole. Maybe, yeah, I should be able to. I'll put it all up and see how we go. Pull these back together. I suppose we'll have to try and clear this up. Somehow. Now I have to start putting it back together. Awkward ones in, or any of them I think, to start with. Move this around to when you feel it's best. That way. Okay, now I have to find the rest of them small ones. Ew. Right. The next stage is this one, I think. Just tighten them up. Let's check it. Get this on. See if we can get them. This is right, isn't it? Them in okay. Right. Screws. One. Yeah. These two plastic things on the other side. So then. Okay, there's these ones. Done. So just check it. Looks, been spinning it about a bit. Okay. That works well. That works. I'm just going to check the reverse. And the reverse works. Well, that's that job done. This was a Subaru Forester 2012. From 09 to 13, this one was the same. After 13, I think it changed to the newer edition. Can't remember what edition, but I know it changed on 13. So that was for this one. I forgot to mention that at the beginning. I've got a wheel bearing to change on this. which I don't know which one it is yet. I'm going to find that out soon. I have an actuator to fit on another car, and I don't know what else yet. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one, hopefully. Bye for now.